Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I've been here in front of the camera this way doing videos. Lately I've been doing a lot of shorts, so I hope you guys don't mind that. But before we get into today's video, if I could say today, I want to let you know, if you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you give this video a big old like. If you would like to follow me on social media, all of that will be linked below in the description. And let's get into it. Okay, so as many of you know, I haven't been doing these kind of videos because of my health. As you can hear today, I sound pretty crappy, but I wanted to show you guys this company reached out to me, and I hope I'm saying the name right. It's Craspire. I will link all of the information below in the description. So I just wanted to show you the items that they sent me, and possibly you can go and get some for yourself. So I will also put the link to everything that I received also down below. So if you're interested in getting what I received, you can do that. Yeah, and they're pretty inexpensive, guys, so don't worry about that. It's not high price stuff, but I do believe it's high quality products. And they sell an array of different things, not just what I got, but they do sell different things there too, so make sure to check them out. Alright, so the first thing here is some little jewelry silicone molds, if you guys can see that, which is amazing because I've been making my own jewelry lately, guys, if you've been following me. Also here, and you know, everything is packaged really well. The bags are like really thick, so, and then they package with bubble wrap, so everything came pretty secure. Nothing was destroyed during the process. And don't mind my hair, guys, I'm having a bad hair day. Don't judge me. So here we have some little stick stirrers. Also, I have a really bad respiratory infection, so my chest really hurts. So there's that. But you have these little stirrers, which are really cool. And it came, this was actually a little kit that came all together, and it was pretty inexpensive. So if you do anything with resin or mixing paints or anything like that, you know these things are like gold to have, and they're so much easier to clean than like anything else that's not silicone. And it has the little measurements here on the side, which is awesome. These little finger protectors here came in this kit. You also have these little droppers here that came. Let's see how many there is. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of these came. And these are pretty awesome to have too, especially when you need something like small droplets and very precise. These are amazing. So having a ton of these in your craft storage area is great. And then I have this that says Live, Love, Laugh, and I've been wanting this for so long, but everywhere else I seen it, it was just overly priced for the size of it. So this came in that kit, which was pretty awesome. I will leave the prices if you guys are curious about the prices of everything I'm showing you, because I don't remember offhand how much everything cost. So I'm going to show you that last. And then I have this, which I can't wait to start using. And this is great. It says welcome. And it has the little holes here for the string. So this is, you know, something that will be great for me to make for anyone that, you know, is going to a new home or just needing to decorate their home or office, and I can use that to make for them with the resin. And it also came with this twine or string, whatever, however you like to say it, but this was pretty inexpensive as well. I do like the size of it. It's not too big, it's not too small. And last but not least, I got this kit. Well, no, this isn't last. This is the last for the silicone items. More cups, measuring cups. I got 2 this time in this kit. And then I got some more finger protectors, which again, you can't have enough of these either. Okay, more stirrers and droppers. And then this one says love. It's got a little bit of protective plastic on it. I'll get that off. This one says love, and then this one says home. And I've also been wanting these, but they were pretty overpriced everywhere else that I've seen them. So this is actually last but not least, and I will be ordering from this company again. I really appreciate the communication. The customer service is great. Company seems really great. The items came pretty fast, and it looks like quality items, guys. So this here is like the wax, you know, used with the wax melts. It's a little stamper that says thank you on this side. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of small, but I know what it says because I ordered it. So, and then this one says love, which is great because I have stickers that I use on my packaging now, but this will add a little something else special and extra. I do have okay, I do have the wax melts, but I have them from a previous order that I made, not with Craspire. Craspire is like craft and aspire together, so I hope I'm saying it right. Craspire. But they do sell wax melts, and they do have other kits that have stampers. I do believe they do custom stampers also, but here, if you look, this is the website. All the links and stuff are there if you would like to order from them, which I hope you do, because you know, I'm grateful for them reaching out to me, and I'm grateful for the products that I was sent. They look like really quality items. Like I said, they're pretty inexpensive compared to what I've seen other places. I do have a code which will be here. It's Nika, N-I-K-A, my first name, 1010. So if you would like to order, you can get 10% off your order using my special code, and that will also be linked below as well as here. As well, like I said, I'm going to leave all the links to everything that I received, and I want to thank Craspire for sponsoring this video. I hope I'm saying the name right. I really, you know, don't like when I'm doing something and they say the name wrong, but again, I believe the name combined is craft and aspire together, which is pretty, you know, creative. So yeah, I hope you guys order something, and I will do some demos on some of the products. It's cold here in Michigan, so me using the epoxy resin, I have to wait until it warms up, but I do want to do a video using the little jewel things, because I do have some UV resin that will be great to use on these. That way I can show you how their products work, and you know, I could utilize the measuring cups and the finger protectors as well as the stirrers and the droplets. And then I want to do also a demo on this, so look for that video later this week. I'm going to say later this week. I'm putting it out there. Hopefully I can get that video out no later than Thursday or Friday, so you guys, oh, excuse me, so you guys can see how the products actually work. Again, thank you, Craspire, for sponsoring this video. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions about anything that I showed you today, just let me know in the comments. If you have experience using Craspire, let me know, and let me know how the products work for you. But I think it's a great company. Of course, you guys know me. I'm not going to share anything with you if I don't believe in it and try it myself first. So I'm glad I was able to receive the products. These are great products I will be using on a regular basis in my craft area, as well as probably now in my shop. So Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you are following me on social media to see what I'm up to. All of that is linked below in the description. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.